scaring me.
Good.
I think of that sometimes when I'm bullying people, and sometimes like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get arrested.
Well, I think you should think about that some more. We came back here today to see if there was an actual real person who does feel things underneath the costume and the sort of huge personality that you presented to us yesterday.
Yeah, I'm a really good person.
Well, you need to start really showing people that. Here's an opportunity to actually show us the real you.
Well, I'm like sorry for stealing your pictures. I just wanted to like be someone else. I was just chaperone to escape. I didn't feel like if I let people in to leave.
Like, I don't want to say that it's okay because what you did really isn't okay. But I mean, I do forgive you.
Oh my gosh, my heart is beating right now. I can't believe I just said I'm sorry. I never say sorry to anyone.
You say you created the Jacqueline profile around the same time that your dad got sick. So maybe that kind of triggered an emotion that you couldn't cope with. I feel like you kind of numbed yourself.